What is Bhujangasan? Bhujangasana is such a yoga asana, which is made by combining two words. One Bhujang means snake and the other posture. In English, Bhujangasana is called Cobra pose, because while doing it, the shape of the body becomes like a snake. This yoga asana has many benefits for health, due to which it has also been included in Surya Namaskar. First of all, it is important that here we understand a little about the time frame of Bhujangasana and the science behind doing it, which is as follows. Time limit of Bhujangasana. In the initial phase it is advisable to stay in the posture of Bhujangasana yoga for about 30 seconds. At the same time, after some time's practice, this time limit can be increased gradually to 1 or 2 minutes. Science behind Bhujangasana. Talking about the science behind Bhujangasana, the main effect of this asana is directly on the abdominal muscles and spine. This is the reason why this asana is known to activate the abdominal muscles and strengthen the spine. Along with this, it can also be helpful in improving blood circulation. Apart from this, there are many benefits of Bhujangasana. Keep these precautions before doing Bhujangasana. Should not be used during menstruation and pregnancy. Also should not be done during carpal tunnel syndrome. Should not be done in case of joint pain and also in case of fracture in wrists or ribs. If surgery has been done in the lower abdomen, do not do Bhujangasana. People suffering from back injury or hernia should not do this asana. Do not do this asana if you have stomach pain. Pregnant women should not do this asana at all. Do not do it if you have pain or injury in hands, back and neck. Do not tilt your head backward while doing the asana, otherwise the muscles may get strained.
सामने से उठो।
ऐसे नाभि तक उठा दिया, कोहनियाँ थोड़ी झुकी हुई, दोनों हाथ की हथेलियाँ जमीन पर टिकी हुई, पैर पीछे मिले हुए,
ऐसे उठाते हैं। ऊपर देखो, ऊपर ऊपर। बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं सभी। पैर पीछे सीधे, पंजे पीछे खींच के रखे, पंजे खड़े करके नहीं, पंजे पड़े हुए ऐसे, लेटे हुए पंजे। फिर नीचे आ गए। ये कमर के लिए बहुत जबरदस्त है। दूसरा अभ्यास, हथेली पर हथेली, ऐसे हथेली पर हथेली और दोनों हथेलियां ठोड़ी के नीचे, दोनों पैर पीछे पास में, श्वास अंदर भर के, श्वास अंदर भरो पूरा, फिर उठाओ और ऐसे रुक जाओ थोड़ी देर, ऐसे पूरा उठा दो, कोहनियां पूरी सीधी कर दो, पैर पीछे सीधे और ऊपर देखो बेटा, ऊपर ऐसे। फिर नीचे। ये बहुत अच्छा अभ्यास है, माने कमर के लिए इससे बढ़िया कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
Benefits of doing Bhujangasana can be achieved in many types of physical and mental problems, some of which are as follows. 1. Bhujangasana is helpful in reducing abdominal fat by creating a stretch in the abdominal muscles, which can help in reducing the enlarged abdomen. 2. Performing Bhujangasana is also beneficial in maintaining and strengthening the health of the lungs. 3. Bhujangasana is a stretching asana, which creates a stretch in the body, on the basis that it is helpful for relieving shoulder and neck tension. 4. Bhujangasana is such a yoga asana, which mainly affects the spine, due to which it makes the spine strong and flexible. 5. Bhujangasana strengthens the muscles of the hips by creating a stretch in them. But it is not possible to do this asana in case of pain in the muscles of the hips. 6. Benefits of Bhujangasana also play an important role in maintaining the health of liver and kidney. 7. Bhujangasana can help in improving metabolic disorders. 8. The practice of Bhujangasana helps in keeping the weight balanced. 9. The practice of Bhujangasana can prove beneficial in both the situations of stress, physical or mental. 10. Bhujangasana can also be practiced to get relief from the problem of sciatica and asthma. 11. The practice of Bhujangasana strengthens the muscles, shoulders, and arms. 12. Bhujangasan makes the unformed waist slim, curvy, and attractive. 13. Flexibility in the body increases. 14. Removes stress and fatigue. 15. Bhujangasana keeps the heart healthy. 16. The symptoms of asthma get relief. 17. Gets relief from back pain. You can get amazing and wonderful benefits from the yoga, so definitely make to yoga a part of your daily life. Always be happy, keep smiling. I pray to the God that you progress progressively in every field of your life. Write in the comment where are you from, and what you want to know about the next video of yoga. Subscribe, if you are new to the channel, and like and share the video too.